Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, or tonight I should actually say, if you guys haven't noticed, the Altima is in the garage and it's not backed in like usually. It's actually pulled in. Now I did that because of course I got my two lights up here in front, and in the back there's not that much of a light source, so it'd be easier for me to pull in. And the reason why is because I want to finally install a part that I've been kind of holding off on for a long time. So if you guys remember, I used to have a little rear window spoiler wing, whatever the hell you want to call it, on here before. This is probably like close to a year almost, but this right here is another one. And if you can see on there, Altima 98201 rear spoiler. So I picked this thing up from Spoiler King. Pretty sure some of you guys may recognize or know of the company. They make a lot of these rear roof wings and these trunk lid wings, the M3 styles and like some other styles and stuff like that. But they were having a sale and I said screw it, let me pick one up. It is a lot more aggressive than the old one that was on the car. I know it's flipped the other way, but yeah, so I said screw it, let me pick this up. A lot cheaper, and well, now it's all dingy looking and crap, but yeah, whatever, it's all good. But yeah, so I'm gonna finally install that, and that shouldn't take too long. But yeah, so finally cleaned up the car really well too, so actually went all up in there in the wheels and like even behind. You can sort of see it, yeah, the actual behind the barrel and all that stuff. But she looks semi decent, a lot better clean than dirty. That goes along for, you know, a lot of the cars. But yeah, so enough talking. I don't know if I'm just gonna go ahead and like do a time lapse of this because it's really not that hard. I did a test fit a while ago. It doesn't line up all the way to the edge, which kind of sucks unfortunately, but it's whatever. So I'm gonna try to eyeball it, make it even as possible, and send it. So I'll probably just, oh god, jeez, it's fine. It's fine. Alright guys, so real quick, if anyone wants to have some tips or whatever, real simple, got a tape measure, got some tape. So luckily the middle of the rear window is where this oh shit, sorry guys, is right here where this line is, the froster, whatever the fuck the rear line is. So that line right there is where the middle is for my window, and this whole entire wing is 44 inches, so the middle is 22, which I have it right here at the edge, which is here. So this tape was basically lined up where the middle of the line is, and kind of line that up there, get some tape so I can, you know, or so it can have it hold its place. And there you can see it's a little bit gap right there, not the worst. It's a lot better than the old one that was on there. And on this side, there you go, it's just about the same. So not too bad. It's a lot tighter than it was before, and it does give it more of a, you know, weird look to it, I guess. But fuck it, it's been sitting around forever, so I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. And just like that, it's on there. So real simple, real quick. It's really hard to see because it is darker, and the car is dark itself, but there you go. Yeah, so a lot more aggressive, a lot more wider, and it's hopefully it stays on there pretty good. So we'll find out. Hopefully it doesn't flap off on the highway or something. So yeah, there you guys have it. Sorry it's a short video and it's not that very interesting or, you know, fun to watch, but just wanted to make a little video, let some of the viewers know that I still have the Altima and I'm still daily driving it. Enough rambling. Yeah, there you guys have it. Like always guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.